Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.3-liter V6 engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and with a new look inside and out. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back seat, where you have seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle you have fold-out cup holders like so, as well as a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. And then looking in the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your trip 1 and 2 information, your driver assistance features, your fuel economy, Eco Coach, comm screen. Then you can also go into your maintenance information and whatnot. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer. But then moving down, or actually moving up from that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, hazards, traction control shut off, and then moving down from that you have your media controls as well as your climate controls here. Very simple, easy to use. To the left of that you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector, so you can go through to normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. Then on the other end you have tow, haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. Then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and this button up here to open the compartment of your glove box. Then down beneath your climate controls you have another 12-volt power outlet with a USB and USB-C, as well as this shelf where you can put your device while it's charging. Moving on to your center console area though, where you have your 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. Then underneath that you actually have another lockable compartment for even more storage, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.